being so naive when life was good, weather and palm trees. Back in the day, you were everything I need. But then along came a time when you crushed my dreams. Oh yeah, you played me like a fool when you made me believe that the line between love wasn't thick.
Hi guys, welcome back to Lowdown Transporters, and today is a how-to on subframe notching. Luckily, we've got George's project van underneath the tarp, and he's got the subframe off, notching it as we go. So, take you in, show you how we're doing it and why we do it. But before we go inside, I'd just like to say a massive thank you to all the people that subscribe to the channel. We're getting up to 2,000 subscribers now, and it really does help us, get more videos out to you guys. The more traction we get, the more we can take time off work to film these videos. I'll leave a link down below. It's free to subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell icon, you will be the first to be notified when the new videos come out. But yet again, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm loving doing this, getting better as I go. Still not the best, but we'll go inside, check out this subframe. Yo!
Hiya!
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 What we doing?
Stuff and things.
Right. So you can see this is the standard side. This is your top arm, bolts through here, and this is the top of your subframe, and this is where it bolts onto the chassis. You can see this isn't going to be able to go up very far, if I can get it to focus, without hitting into this point and there as well. So what we do, if you look at the other side, we notch all this out and weld a strengthening plate on the back and grind off these little knobs up here, and if Clark shows you, look at that lift you get. Whereas
factory's about there.
Factory's about there, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? So even if you've done all the other suspension mods, you're going to be putting so much stress on this subframe because it's just going to be leaning metal on metal when you're trying to get it low. The only other bit which will catch, if you can see on this side, is this little notch here. Oh, James will be able to show me. So that little notch in there will smack on
the back side of the hub.
Yeah.
There.
So
that's a lock stop. That little shape there, that's a steering lock stop. And this little ball joint, this would stop the full articulation of the ball joint, but that touches the back of the hub. So if you cut that off, you can get better angle on the ball joint.
So you can see on the standard side, with this knuckle here and this little tab in there, that's how much lift you get. It really is not a lot. And then if you go around to the modified side, so much more articulation on the arm. It really is one of the best modifications you can do to the front of a T4. Yeah, if we show you both sides, yeah, it's night and day difference. Really is worth doing. And it's not a lot of fab work. If you know someone with a welder, or if you can get your subframe off to take it to a welder, you can do all the cutting yourself. It's only a short video today, but I think one that really needed doing to clear up what you do to modify the subframe. It really isn't a lot of work, but the benefit of doing it, it's just massive. It makes such a difference. It really is worth doing. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified when any future videos come up. Next, we're going to be doing the chassis notch on the T4 underneath the tarp, and just showing you through how to do it, the best ways and why we do it.